Are you looking for the best mirror dash cam front and rear? In this video we will break down top 5 best mirror dash cam front and rear on the market this year. Based on performance and situations they will be used in, we will have the perfect option for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. If you want to see stay up to date technology video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start the video. Number 5. Brand name, Wolfbox, model number, G840S. The Wolfbox G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam offers comprehensive road coverage with advanced features for reliable and clear video recording. With a 2.5D curved screen, the body is more smooth and more suitable for the curvature of the human retina. Its OEM looking makes the mirror camera perfectly integrate with the existing mirror. A 6-layer glass lens enhances night vision in a dark environment. License plates and other small wordings can be displayed clearly. The Wolfbox G840S features a 170 degrees front lens and a 140 degrees rear lens. Number 4. Brand name, Alcoma, model number, F8. The Alcoma F8 car dash cam has a front car camera with f1.8 in 6 glass, ensuring clear recording even in low light conditions. The large screen and waterproof lens make it possible to see the situation behind the car clearly even in heavy rain, ensuring driving safety. The F8 dash cam is your top choice for capturing clear, high-quality footage. The global satellite positioning system accurately records your driving trajectory. Dedicated playback display is more detailed. You can control the DVR by connected mobile phone via Wi-Fi, like recording video, the file recorded video from the overriding taking photo, playback preview, parameter settings, etc. The Alcoma F8 time-lapse recording technology has greatly increased the video storage capacity, allowing you to view videos long ago at any time. The power plug has 2 USB ports for quick charging of your phone. You can charge your phone while using the rearview mirror recorder, and your phone battery will always be safe. Number 3. Brand name, OBD Peak, model number, H8. The dash cam integrates with your rearview mirror, maintaining a sleek and unobtrusive look in your vehicle. OBD Peak H8 adds HDR optical zoom technology to make all-day shooting clearer. The camera parameters can be adjusted according to different environments. The front camera captures footage in 4K and the rear camera in 2K, providing crystal clear video that can be crucial for capturing details like license plates and road signs. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, it can be connected to a mobile phone. You can preview real-time images to view historical records and quickly download pictures. All operations can be completed on the mobile phone without removing the memory card and connecting to the computer to watch the video. The operation is very simple. Both cameras have wide-angle lenses, reducing blind spots and capturing a broader view of the road. Easily connect to your smartphone to view and download footage via a dedicated app. The built-in GPS logs your driving route, speed and location, which can be useful for trip reviews and providing evidence in case of an incident. Number 2. Brand name, Azdome, model number, PG17. The Azdome PG17 mirror dash cam uses an 11.8-inch IPS anti-glare full touchscreen with 2.5D glass. It supports front and rear camera recording, allowing you to switch between front and rear view or monitor dual lenses at the same time in order to view more traffic information and achieve safer driving/reversing. The simple interface with its fast response time gives you the best experience. The G sensors will automatically lock and store video in case of sudden impact and collision. Loop recording will overwrite the earliest saved video when the remaining memory is insufficient, but will skip the emergency locked video. Number 1. Brand name, HGDO, model number, M210, full view touch screen provides crystal image without any delay. Very clear and smooth images display as like a stream flowing on the excellent WDR and auto-adjusting brightness streaming mirror. With fast image capture rate and image processing capability, it can enhance image clarity to perform more naturally vivid and lifelike image quality. Equipped with a GPS antenna, and you can see the real-time speed and vehicle trajectory, which help to record real-time location, current driving track and driving speed. A reliable evidence when traffic accident happened. Smart rear view angle switch between driving and parking. You could see all further vehicles and objects clearly behind you while real-time driving, and it will lower the rear view angle automatically to give a closer backup image when parking. G sensor, powered automatic video recording and video file locking when a collision or crash is detected. The sensitivity of the G sensor can be set to different levels.